At the end of this video, you should be able to explain the nebular hypothesis of the origin of the solar system. Chapter 27, Section 1, Formation of the Solar System. The solar system consists of the Sun and all of the planets and other bodies that revolve around the Sun. Planets are any of the primary bodies that orbit the Sun. Scientists have long debated the origins of the solar system. In the 1600s and 1700s, many scientists thought that the Sun formed first and threw off the materials that later formed the planets. But in 1796, the French mathematician Pierre-Simon Marquis de Laplace advanced a hypothesis that is now known as the Nebular Hypothesis. The Nebular Hypothesis. Laplace's hypothesis states that the Sun and the planets condensed at about the same time out of a rotating cloud of gas and dust called a nebula. Modern scientific calculations support Laplace's hypothesis and help explain how the Sun and the planets formed from the original nebula of gas and dust. Matter is spread throughout the universe. Some of this matter gathers into clouds of dust and gas, such as the one shown here. Almost 5 billion years ago, the amount of gravity near one of these clouds increased as a result of a nearby supernova or other forces. The rotating cloud of dust and gas from which the Sun and the planets formed is called the solar nebula. Energy from collisions and pressure from gravity caused the center of the solar nebula to become hotter and denser. When the temperature at the center became high enough, about 10 million degrees Celsius, hydrogen fusion began. A star, which is now called the Sun or Sol, formed. The Sun is composed of about 99% of all of the matter that was contained in that solar nebula. At this point, you should be able to explain the nebular hypothesis of the origin of the solar system.